Hollie coming off a good beam routine, building on some good floor routines already in front of her for Oklahoma. The last 3 athletes up, we got Hollie Vise and a couple of her teammates yet to come. Now's the time to put an exclamation point on those first few routines. Put up the big scores. It's time to do it right now. Hollie, ever the perfectionist, always does those little things, the dance moves, the leaps, the turns, everything with perfect form and execution. The pro does it again. Nice routine from Hollie. Not a lot of huge gymnastics. I think that look means KJ liked it.
Senior from Dallas, 9.9.
The judges liked